Okay, so let's get started. I have my base makeup on, which is pretty much the same thing I use in all my other videos. And also I did my eyebrows as well. Isn't this a great look? I always think it looks so weird when you just have like your face makeup on, your eyebrows, and then nothing else. But we're going to add to it now. And I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, and I just love this. I think it's really great for creating a really glamorous look. All the eyeshadows in here are like shimmery and sparkly, and they're just really pretty. But the only thing that this doesn't have is like any matte colors, like a transition color. So I'm going to grab my Sweet Peach, Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to use the color Charmed, I'm sure, which is like a matte medium brown. I'm going to use that as my transition color in my crease. By the way, I really love this palette. I know I don't really use it much, but it's really one of my favorite ones. The colors are just gorgeous, and they blend really nicely, and they're super pigmented. And it also smells nice as well, like a peach. Transition color is on. Now we're going to pick up that Urban Decay palette. I'm going to go in my crease. And I'm going to go in my crease with the color Demo, which is right here. It's like another like medium warm toned brown. So I'm going to start out in the corner of my eye and then just work its way into the crease. Okay, looks good. Now I'm going to take the color Scream, which is kind of like a light, like mauve-y color, I guess you could say. I think it's really gorgeous. I'm going to put this on my lid, and I'm going to use my finger to do it. I find that using your finger to use like these more like shimmery colors really makes it look more like vibrant on your lid, or even wetting your brush will also help it look more vibrant as well. When you blend it, it kind of takes away from the color. So I'm just going to pat it down with my finger right on my lid. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. So pretty. Ugh, so pretty. Ugh, love it. I really haven't picked up this palette since like Christmas and New Year's, because I got it for Christmas, and it really is more of a palette that you use for like going out, special occasion, at least I think so. So yeah, I'm glad I have this opportunity to show you this Valentine's look because I think it's perfect for it. Now we're going to take the color, did I call that Rhodey? That color was Scream. I'm trying to figure out how they have these listed. Yeah, the one we just used on my lid was Scream. Now I'm going to use the color After Party, which is like more of like a reddish, kind of almost like maroon color. It's really pretty. I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye using my finger again. So pretty. I'm going to take my brush and just blend it just ever so slightly. Alright, so now we're going to move on to, let's see, what do I want to do now? We're going to do like the tear duct area. I love using like a really shimmery color, light shimmery color. My tear duct, it really just opens up your eyes even more. I'm going to go with the color Angel Fire. It's right here. I think it's like the perfect like highlighter color for your like brow bone and for your tear duct area. I'm going to put on both actually. I am going to use my finger again. Alright, now we're going to move on to under the eyes. And pretty much with all my looks, whatever color I use in my crease or the corner, I usually take it down and use under my eye. So we're going to take the color Demo, that brown color again. We're going to put that under my eye. Now I'm going to take the color, I'm actually going to take the color Rhodey, which is right here. I know I didn't use that in my crease, but it's more of like a darker brown with like a hint of red in it. So I'm going to use that kind of more towards like the corner of my eye. Okay, and now we're done with eyeshadow, so let's move on to mascara. And I'm using Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express, and I've been loving this mascara. I think it's a really great price, obviously, but It really does a good job of giving you volume and length. Okay, mascara is done. Now for the lips, yeah, the focus on this for this look is on the eyes and on the lips. I told you this is a dramatic look, so we're going to bring some drama to those lips as well. And we're going to go with a red lip, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. And I'm using the color Russian Red. It's a MAC lipstick. I'm like the worst at putting on lipstick. I don't know why, but I just find it really hard to stay inside my lips. But we're going to try to do it. I find like using the tip of the lipstick and like lining your lips really helps. Alright guys, that was my glamorous Valentine's look and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.